Laverne.
Yeah?
You have chicken back round there?
Yeah.
Chicken back how you want? Laverne, no do that something there, Laverne. Need it tell you more chicken back? Laverne, sell me the credit man right now over me shop one call and buy a half pound of still and half pound of butter bean, you know. Me change too. I'll go and Dave's can order now, you know. Come to the butter years, girl, man. To the girl, man, just shit can make coffee.
You say you want my girl?
You have chicken back?
Yeah, me have chicken back.
Shh. When you load it up so far.
Yo, Mr. I could have the 150 and buy the chicken back a while ago, you know, but you need that damn watch the system and buy chicken back.
Yo, dog, you good?
Yeah, my dad, dog.
See you chat to yourself, man.
Yeah, brother, I'm gonna tell you something there, dog. Go so boom for buy some chicken back, brother. Watch a girl in that shit.
How much pound of chicken back you want?
Like her, is it? I'm finding it's a butter years, girl, man. You never watch no say me buy chicken back, brother. Is it me?
How much pound of chicken back you want?
2 pound of chicken back, mama. 2 pound.
Then I really chicken back, you come and shop, come buy my girl.
Look at dirty boy.
How we a chat to girl?
Let us see her order chicken back.
You see me a chicken back?
I say, babes, the boy that sleep now, my face now, it's hot, you know.
Yo, my general, oh, go on, everything good?
You don't know, say a man violate me, girl. Bum, yo, I be a shot and go bounce on this hole.
The boy that see a money where you hold on. Yes, so you do it.
Me, the kill.
Yes,
Watch out, none of me.
I know.
When you call me from rear run back. And now you don't want me chicken back. Come buy me chicken back.
Chicken back and me daddy, and tin mackerel and me paddy, and callaloo and me charges. So you know run down and me party.